The United Arab Emirates reported the country's first deaths due to the coronavirus, 2 men, a 78-year-old Arab and a 58-year-old Asian, the Ministry of Health said early Saturday. The ministry said the 78-year-old Arab man had come to the country from Europe and died due to a heart attack which coincided with being infected with the coronavirus. The 58-year-old Asian man was a resident who suffered from several chronic diseases such as heart disease and liver failure. The ministry expressed its sympathies and condolences to the families of the deceased. It also stressed that both cases received the required medical care in the country's hospitals. It also added that the current studies about the coronavirus shows that the percentage of fatalities may reach up to 3.6% and increases amongst the elderly and people suffering from chronic diseases. The number of confirmed coronavirus cases in the UAE stood at 140 as of Thursday.